Home 2022 Media Day. When we first introduced Bespoke, our mission was to reimagine what a home appliance should look like and do. Like never before, we are scaling up our bespoke offerings and inviting consumers to be part of the bespoke home experience. Bespoke Home 2022 will transform and expand the home experience in three areas: space, experience, and time.
This year, we're expanding beyond the kitchen to living appliances, enabling a richer and more fulfilling home life experience.